Documentation, documentation, documentation. Lots and lots of paperwork and documentation over to validate a loan. So why do we need so many documents in our mortgage world today? Well, it's really simple, guys. We're trying to prevent fraud. There was a major financial meltdown back in 2008, and there were a lot of congressional financial reform acts that took place. And today, basically, the reason we ask for so much documentation in the industry is that we want to verify and document what your stated application says so that we can then originate and close a mortgage loan and sell it back to our investors such as Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So we've tried to make that very concise. And if you want to help speed up your loan process, you can gather the important documents that we ask for in advance and then give them to us up front, and we can guarantee you an on-time closing, sometimes in as little as 14 to 21 days. But it all depends on documentation. We've created a little documentation checklist that we can always send the borrower. There's a list for self-employed borrowers, and there's a list for salaried and hourly borrowers. A couple things to note. When we say all pages, we mean all pages. So if your bank statement has 6 pages and one's blank, we need all 6 pages and the blank page. We want to make sure there's nothing to hide, there's nothing being intentionally left out. When we say tax returns or federal tax returns, we need all pages and all schedules for those tax returns. So, follow those instructions because it's not personal. It's just that we're trying to put a picture together to our investors who approve our loans and ultimately will take our loans and service them and show them that you meet all the guidelines of the particular loan program we're doing. So next time people get frustrated about paperwork, it's really not as bad as it seems. This is a quick and easy list that we can provide that lets us get your income and asset statement so that we can put together a perfect loan file for you that is verified and documented and makes that process smooth and easy. So if you want to know more, if you want to get pre-approved, we'll send you the document checklist and make your life much easier, especially if you can get that to us up front and in a relatively quick time. Until next time, this is Chet Man at Team Chet Mortgage, CMG Financial. Hey, we're building dreams and serving families every day. Thank you very much.